Hey everybody, my name is Kartik Subramaniam. I'm a real estate entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm the founder of a very large real estate education company. Absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for the business. I'm happy to have found it. Follow my journey here on YouTube. Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. I'm just here at Claremont McKenna College visiting one of my great friends, young guy too. He's like 23 years old, just finishing. I'm so proud of him. And we're just talking and he says, hey Kartik, I'm interested in starting my own business, but I just got this very expensive degree. I feel like I should just go get a regular job. And what's very interesting about that, I think a lot of people that are considering becoming entrepreneurs or are considering starting their own business right now are in a position where they're graduating from college. It's May, June, July, it's that summer season where a lot of people finish college and they feel like they need to go get a regular job. And by the way, I don't disagree with them. When I finished college, I did go get a regular job. It lasted about, I'd probably say 8 months, and I quit, and I've been self-employed since. That was my only stint at having a boss, and it didn't go very well. So the point simply is that if you are finishing college right now and you're considering being an entrepreneur, it's not just in real estate, right? If you're considering being a real estate agent, of course, give it a shot. But if you're considering starting your own catering company or your own restaurant or your own dog sitting business or your own engineering company, whatever you're considering doing, just try it, do it. Especially right now when I'm guessing you're probably relatively young. If you're watching this video and you just finished college, you're probably, I'd say, 22 to 25-ish, roughly. So now's the time to take risks and try stuff. If, I'm 38 right now, I don't think I would have the energy to start my own business at 38 or 40 or 50 or 60, at least to the same degree that I had when I was, 20 or 21. So, now, by the way, if I've started a couple of businesses in the last year, so I'm not tired, don't misunderstand me. And if you are a little older, you can start your business at any age, right? And I think the great story about Colonel Sanders and Kentucky Fried Chicken is, he didn't hit it big until he was at his later years in life. So, my own parents started a restaurant in their 60s. So it's nothing that you can't do when you're older. I'm just saying you have the benefit of youth on your side right now. And right now I think is the time to take risks, at least from my perspective. That's what helped me get my business started, starting young. In fact, I think Warren Buffett gave a talk where he said he found that what correlated to success in business isn't so much how smart you are, but the age at which you start your own company or the age at which you start trying to be self-employed. So if you're watching this and you're just finishing college, congratulations, you have youth on your side, give it a shot. If you fail, hey, just get up and try again, but it's better to try it than live with regret for the rest of your life. Anyway, I'd love to connect with Instagram. My information's on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you on the next video. Congrats if for our graduating class of 2018, whether it's high school, junior high, college, whatever you finish, your associate's degree, congratulations. We'll catch you guys on the next video.